Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Prisgemic. Today I'm going to show you a 3D memdex holiday loaded suitcase I made for Santa. Links and where I got my materials and inspiration are in the description below. This 3D memorydexcard suitcase is very cute as well as practical. As you can see, the dangle charm houses a dimensional key for the lock plate on top of the trunk to keep the Grinch away. It also has a Santa shaker tag ID in case he loses his suitcase. This festive suitcase is strapped by the pretty triple bows, just like a present. The luggage is designed to store a lot of things, and I'm so excited to show what Santa has put inside, of course with his permission. Now let's take a look. It looks like he kept some of the gingerbread cookies I made for him. As well, he has stored a rosette badge and some memorydexcard cards. On the back, he has a calendar, as well as a picture of him having fun, a selfie portrait, and some snacks that he's got from some children. And finally, a picture of him with a bag of toys. I hope you enjoyed this video tour of Santa's suitcase. I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!